Okay, so it's been a while since last update. Here is the progress so far on the 1934 International. Working on some mounting brackets for the engine. Um, Ow! Bang my foot. Here's the interior. Again, this had a wood floor and wood trim or whatever. Removable top, which is sitting over there. So yeah, that's the update as of now. 1934 International 1.5 ton pickup truck. Looking for wheels or looking for tires for this. We have the rims or the whatever. Get you on the other side here. So here's from the driver's point of view. Brackets for the fuel tank. There's one of the doors. This is the roof for it. Trying to find where we put the wheels. The wagon wheels. They were around here somewhere. Would like to upgrade the brakes eventually. We are in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, so getting the right tires for these is really hard to find. Also very expensive if you can find them. Nobody in these parts or in this country sells them. So basically we have to order from the States. Oh, I think I found them. Okay. I saw something red. So these are those are the rings for the rims. But not the actual wagon wheel part. So yeah. That's the update, the latest update on this thing. 1934 International 1.5 or so ton pickup truck, which will be mostly original except for the engine. This is from a 1950s International because the engine that came with this, the block was cracked, and trying to weld the cast iron engine didn't work. So this is the donor engine. We need gaskets for this, and hopefully this will turn over and run, because it did run from the truck that it was in, and now we have to get this to run into here. See, we've already adapted the transfer case or whatever. I'm not really much of a mechanic sort of thing, so this is a friend of mine's project that he's restoring. So, but that's it. Yeah. I'm going to try and do some more updates on this thing when I can. Hopefully, I would like to see what it looks like with the roof again, so you guys can get a picture of what it looks like. And yeah, if you know where we can get some tires for this, that would be great, because we're having no such luck at all. The seat out of a Dodge Caravan. Yeah, okay. Well, again, we'll hopefully do some more updates soon.